Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the error loading mods in Minecraft. This error usually happens when mods are incompatible, missing required files, or not matching your Minecraft version. First, just go ahead and make sure your mods match your exact Minecraft version, because even a small version mismatch can prevent mods from loading. Next, remove any recently added mods and test the game again to see if one of them is causing the issue. After that, make sure you have installed the correct mod loader like Forge or Fabric, since mod required a proper loader to run, and also check for missing dependencies because some mod require additional library or supporting files to work correctly. Then also make sure to update your mods in Minecraft to the latest version to fix compatibility issue. If the issue still continues, just go ahead and reinstall the mod loader to reset any broken configuration files. So the simple rule is wrong version or missing dependencies can cause mod loading error, and matching version with a clean mod setup usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft mod loading error by matching versions, checking dependencies, reinstalling mod loader, and updating your mods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.